Hello!
So in today's video, punta kami sa Tinandayan
Resort.
Yeah. Kasi today is the first day, ngayon araw, hindi First day, ngayon araw, hindi umuulan. Kasi all the other days, as in, umuulan lagi.
Umuulan.
So yeah, gusto kami pumawi ng
magandang panahon. So it's...
yeah, swimming time.
Swimming time.
So tara! So magbibiyahe kami sa bike. And then, yeah, sana ayos ang panahon buong araw.
Yeah.
Okay, tara!
Tara na!
So dumating na kami dito, nandito sa Tinandayan. First time Palengwill ako kasi when we're in Antipolo, they're in enhanced lockdown, so sarado ang lahat na resorts. Yeah, bawal. And then habang nandito sa Bicol, lagi pangit ang panahon. So this is literally the first day that we can swim. Oh, may kuneho dito. Oh, hello. We've got this pool here, and there's quite a big slide up there. And there's literally no one here. There's hardly anyone here. I guess because of the season. And I don't think anyone would have planned to swim today because the weather's always been bad, like you were saying earlier. And then also, I guess it's term time as well. It's not a weekend, so it's quite nice. Actually, tayo lang, diba?
Yeah.
Walang ibang tao. Oh. Gano'ng kalalim dito?
Check na.
Check na. Right, lalangoy na ako.
Oh, hindi malalim.
Ganda. That's really nice.
Malalim na dyan?
Hindi masyado. Siguro mas malalim ang ibang pool sa kabila. Annoyingly, in the other pool, they've got loud music playing, so I probably can't do much filming there. Like copyright reasons. At the other
You should try the slide.
Yeah, I remember though, medyo masakit sa balat. Kasi,
Hindi.
you need like running water. You need another person with a bucket. Yeah, so ito ang Tinandayan. Maganda dito. Oh, masakit kasi may balde sa taas. Kailangan ng ibang tao sa taas para bumuhos ng tubig. The 40 station of cross, 345 steps ahead. Nandito lang ako sa taas. Takot na ako. Magandang tanawin dito. Sa Calvary. There's a cross up here. It's all like a Catholic theme here. This way up for a 360-degree view. Looks a bit sketchy, this. Feels like it's gonna break. Guess I'm allowed up here.
A few moments later.
Literally just walking on the edges because if I step on the middle it feels like it's going to break. Or I don't like heights. Oh wow. Check this view out. Ganda ng tanawin. You see Isarog there. Lots of coconut trees. Check this out. Hello. Actually, bababa ako, and then nandito ka. Stay a bit longer then. Ganda ng tunnel. Medyo takot ako sa hagdan kasi parang sisira sa timbang. Yan, nakita mo ba ang isorog? Mayon doon. That's Mayon. Don't know if the camera will pick it up. Got isorog. Doon, Mayon. Most iconic symbols of the Philippines. 60-degree view. In my course. Right, bababa na ako. Parang medyo delikado. Oh my word! It's shaking. Parang delikado dito. Delikado din ang hagdan, parang mahina. Kaya I'm stepping on the napakan.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Iharap mo sa baba ang camera. Hindi sa'yo. Para makita nila ang step.
Bababa na. That was Calvario. It's quite sketchy. Nagsishake sa taas.
Parang may lindol.
Yeah, parang may lindol. So pupunta na kami sa Talon. There's some pools that we can also go swimming in. So there's quite a lot of options here. You've got a number of swimming pools, and then you've got the falls as well as this walkway, that sketchy tower that we climbed. May magandang tanawin dito din. Nagmasdan mo ang tanawin dito. Really nice. Nasa tulay na kami. Parang mahina din. Why is everything here really weak? It feels really weak. I'm sure it is safe. Sana ligtas. It just feels, I don't know. Siguro kung may mabigat na tao, siguro masisira. So there's also a zip line now at the end of the bridge. A bike. Bike zip. Oh, look at that. I thought that was just a normal zip line. It's a bike. Bike zip line. Bike line. To be fair, ang dami ng attractions dito.
Yes.
Quite good.
Sulit ang bayad dito.
Which
is 120 pesos lang. Affordable.
But then, kailangan bumili ng hut din.
Yeah, cottage.
Cottage.
Yeah, but that's fine kasi ang daming mga tourist attraction. The Hanging Bridge.
Yeah, impressed ako dito.
Taas, like 300. Ilan yan? 349 steps. I don't know. Nakalimutan ko na. Tapos, kapag nag-avail ka ng resort, pwede ka pumunta sa may hall, sa may Talon. Yeah, pero kung doon ka pumasok, you just pay 20 pesos lang yata. But then, bawal ka dito sa resort. So, pag pumasok ka sa resort, yan, libre ang falls.
Works quite well with the step kasi maliit ka.
Ha 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 ha!
Because if I go on there...
Tara na!
Sige. Nandito na sa Talon. Nakakainis na sira na ang chinalas ko. So I'm one-footed. It's what happens when you buy cheap slippers in the Philippines. So that's enough swimming for today. Tapos na kami. Uwi na kami.
We're tired.
Yeah, pagod na kami. So salamat sa panonood. And give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe as well if you're not already. Thanks again. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.